Hello everybody, my name is Florian, and this is the thing I'm going to present today. The company is called Usersnap, and I start with a little story. Actually, that's the first slide. Just imagine one of your VC firm requires to have a new website, and you hire a web programming agency. Chances are that you want to give them feedback or want to provide maybe a bug report to them. Chances are that you will end up at this situation, and this situation is called the very infamous Christmas tree of hell. The very same situation happens when you, as a professional, commercial company, want to communicate with your clients. You will waste a lot of time in your inbox understanding what your client wants to tell you, and this would be so much easier if you just would share the screen or see what your client would see on his or her screen. The good news is there's a solution. The solution is called, obviously, Usersnap. And what we did is we replaced a written conversation with a visual conversation, with screenshots. So how does this work in practice? Just imagine again, the company you hired, the agency you hired, creates the first draft of the website, and they were smart enough to add this fancy blue Usersnap button on the website of your VC firm. You want to express some change requests. You click the button and you will get a small set, but very effective set of communication tools. For example, a virtual sticky note or a highlighting tool. You annotate directly in your browser, you scribble around, you tell them, please, my name's written in the wrong way. Then you hit send, and your agency of choice will get a screenshot out of the situation. But not only a screenshot, but also a lot of meta information you would never think of sharing with them, like what browser version did you use, what screen size you were on, and stuff like that. Some words on the commercial side and on the business side. Usersnap is offered in a B2B software as a service model. Right now we are at 61K MRR. We do have a couple of customers already from different verticals, such as banking, travel industry, even software like Microsoft. We are at the moment cash flow positive. And finally, I want to add a small cliffhanger. We will release tomorrow a new product called Alpaca. And I'm happily inviting everybody here to visit us at booth C33. Thank you.
Hi.
Questions?
Thanks for the pitch. Are you familiar with a company called TrackDoc from Lithuania?
Yes.
How do you differ?
We have better screenshots. Sounds ridiculous, but they're doing the screenshots technically in a different way. That is, they are creating the screenshot in the front end, whereas we have a rendering engine, so we can guarantee that our screenshots are better. And we're more healthy from a financial perspective.
Are you planning now? You're focused on the development phase of the web pages. Are you planning also to move to already generated web pages and do, for feedback?
Absolutely, and that's, I would say half of the logos they are using it for feedback, but it's too short for 3 minutes, okay? So it's like if you see there's a timeline when you create, you're operating the digital product, and in between there's feedback. We want to cover everything. Alpaca will be on the operation side. Usersnap itself is on the creation side, and in between, that's the use case you just mentioned.
Thank you.
It's more interesting from a commercial perspective as well.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay. Bye.